Keep looking, bud.
Look on. Find some more. Look around. Oh, we smell.
Try the bedroom.
Oh, you're finding Easter eggs? You finding any Easter eggs in here?
You found one!
My spider. My spider. My spider. My spider.
A spider?
Look
A
at-
spider?
Look at Daddy's t-shirts too.
Cheese.
Oh, another one!
Oh my goodness, you're finding eggs everywhere. Keep looking.
Another egg.
Oh my goodness, you're so good at this.
Wait, okay.
Keep looking.
He's a good looker.
Keep looking.
It is it.
Where is it? I don't know.
Why don't you sit in your chair and think about it? While you're at your table. There's one.
Oh,
Everyone.
My TV.
by the
TV.
TV.
What's in that one?
Money.
Okay. What's up there? What is that? Over there. By the window. What's that? Should Daddy find that egg up there? Lana? Should Daddy get this egg?
No.
Oh!
Oh, there's more.
There's more.
There's more.
Let's go put that on your table. Let's go sit on your table for a second. Over here, bud. This table. Your table.
What's in this one, Candy? Add this one,
On your. Let's go look. Sit on your chair for a minute. Okay.
See? Keep going, Dad.
Oopsie.
Oh, there's one. Let's keep looking.
You're so good. It's probably getting heavy for you. Did you look in the bathrooms?
Shut light off.